Hey y'all, so today, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be talking about taking care of those ends, y'all. Cutting those ends. Because it is very, very important. I'm learning that myself, and this is also a beginner friendly video because this is my very first time ever cutting my own ends the proper way. I think we've all experienced going to get a trim done to our hair, our damaged ends, and coming out with like 2-3 inches going off of our hair, and we don't like that, especially when our hair is like 4C 4B kinky curly moisture shrinks my hair type of hair. You don't want to, we want to keep all the length that we can. So be careful with your wording when you go in. Don't say I need a haircut, because you don't, girl. They're gonna give you 3 inches off. I wanted to show you guys basically how your ends should look. Okay, this is one of them, and I just took out my mini twist I had in for like 2 weeks. So this is how your ends should look. And the key to healthy ends, and you can tell if it's healthy, is when you run your hand all the way down your hair shaft like this. It shouldn't thin out. Even to the bottom, it should not thin out. And your hair should never end in like a bunch of frizzy mess on the ends. So it should always end something like this. See that coil? Ding. Don't be afraid of the scissors, sis. They only want to cut off about 3 centimeters. Not good with measurements, but something very tiny like this. So don't be afraid. It's just gonna help your growth. You should not be able to tell the difference of you losing 3 centimeters of hair compared to when people try to trim your hair and take off 3 inches of hair. That's a problem. Because if you cut off 3 inches of my hair, I'm starting over again. But no, let me share with y'all my length progress, because I am progressing. Okay? I'm gonna probably start a hair length journey with you guys, because I do have like a little resolution to where I do want to kind of, because I'm already at shoulder length. All around it reaches shoulder length, but what I want to get to is actually here. That's not too much to ask in a year, so I think I can do it, y'all. But let's get right into it. So look on this side. This is what I mean by beginner friendly, y'all. So if your hair is literally 2 inches long, you can do some mini twists in your hair. So look, I'm retwisting it. So when I get to the bottom, y'all, you see how your ends are at the bottom? Let me get up here. I'm sorry, y'all, my lighting ain't all that yet, but it's getting there. But you see how my end is? I hope y'all can see that. It could be a little fuzzy on the end. Yeah, we don't want that. So what I'm gonna do is literally take care of that fuzzy end, and it's not much, because like I said, I thought I had taken care of all of these little ends that were a little chopped up. But this is what I do, y'all. You don't cry. You rejoice. Because you're taking care of your hair. You see that little baby piece of hair? Now, your hair is more defined towards the end. Okay, it looks healthier. Look at that. It coils all the way down to the end. I'm not making this up. So what I did in order to take care of my hair was I waited until I put my hair in mini twists. And also, from cutting your ends, you also make it more blunt. So you might want to add like curling cream. I only use a little bit of product. So I just literally twist it around my finger on the ends. And that's what it looks like now. Much healthier. So that's taken care of. And that's all I do. It's easy. You put your hair in mini twists all around your head, and you take care of all of the split ends that need to be chopped off. So. And you can even do bigger twists, but I like to focus in smaller. But look at this. This was an example of what I already did. But yeah, when your hair gets frizzy, you can tell when you put product back on your hair and stuff, and it continues to curl up and doesn't just like lay like it's got a permanent like straight, then it's okay. That's how you can tell. If your ends, look at my hair. If your ends become a burden and do not coil anymore or curl, whatever the ends do, then you need to cut them. Your ends should not be straight if your hair is not relaxed. I was just in the middle of taking out these. Look, they look like dreads. Everybody kept asking me if I'm dreaded up. No, honey, they're mini twists. They're just really going through something by themselves right now. But I'm glad I got to show you guys that easy method. So remember, mini twists. Put your hair in mini twists all over your head. They can be as small as you want. Mine are pretty small. Just because I'm a fan of the smaller ones, you know. But you see how skinny they are. And you see how these ends are, y'all. Okay, they're coiled all the way down to the end. No straggling pieces. Just pay attention to that. And it will definitely help you to regain your growth. If y'all want proof that y'all are not just cutting your ends for no reason, I will do a length check video for you guys. Not just for y'all, for myself. Because I want to keep up with this growth. But yes, thank you guys for watching. It was a short little video, but I hope it helped you guys out because it was beginner friendly, because this is my very first time cutting my ends, and I just see that it makes my hair look 10 times healthier even in twists. So thank you guys. Be looking out for the length check videos and stuff. Yeah.